to do the video.
Flow of the water, that's all this section's here to stop anyone from coming in and stuff. So just to try.
With the Environment Agency. Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Yeah, I know I can hear you saying it's been long overdue, but I'm back officially. Welcome back to hiking in the English countryside. I know it's going to be a lovely day, cold, but I don't mind. Drinking my ginger, not coffee today. You know, ginger, it's also, I enjoy it. It put me in a good mood just as much as the coffee. I think it has over 14 different compounds and it is good for you. Anyway, welcome back, and I'll show you along the way. Like, share and subscribe. M4 motorway is above. I guess I'm not the only one who think of hiking and cooking. What's that over there? Oh, I think I know what it is. I think boats, maybe in the summer. Yeah, maybe in the summer the boats dock at the side of the river there, and I can see more evidence. That's what happened over there. I would like to get across there. I can see just a little, like a bridge, well, just a little piece of land between the river and the lake. It would be nice to get across there, get some lovely view of the lake. There's a train traveling in the distance. Guess it's going to London, or maybe London is the opposite direction. Maybe the Southampton is heading to. Not too sure. Anyway, it seems like a lovely spot to sit and have my lunch. Yep, right here. Cabbage, carrot, just basically mixed vegetable.
Time for the cabbage. And of course, it's all washed already. So I'm transferring everything to this bigger bowl. All-purpose seasoning. Thyme. Bit of garlic. Bit of black pepper. Now I didn't put too much black pepper or too much pepper because I won't be the only one eating it, even though I'm cooking it to take it on my hike, but I'll be leaving some home for the family. I'm just gonna stir it, mix it. Could do it in the pot, but I just want to do it this way so you get a better view. It won't be going in just now. So I'll be using a bit of butter and olive oil. Little bit of olive oil. Don't want too much oil in. That's it. Now I'm going to add the vegetable to the pan, but I'm using my mobile phone, so I mean to do the video. So the stove have to turn right down because you don't want it to start burning. Now we're going to add the tomato. Now I'm going to cover the pot and give it about 5 minutes to steam. I didn't add any water, so there shouldn't be too much water in the pot when it's through. So now this is what it looks like finished. Looking lovely. Beautiful veg. Can't wait to get out there in the pastures, walking, sitting under a tree, enjoying the meal. So here it is, my lovely vegetable and rice. There's a freight train in the distance. I'm going to enjoy my meal. So this here is new. I've been around here a few times and there was no fencing, and there's a solar panel there. There's also a camera down there. don't know the purpose. I guess it's just health and safety. I think I just figure out the reason for that solar panel. I think it's to feed electricity to the camera that is over there. Got to be. I don't know. Hello, mate. Morning. What's this here then?
This nothing to do with us, unfortunately.
Oh,
So
oh,
this will probably generate something. Power source, I'd imagine.
oh, because
Environment Agency, yeah.
oh,
Monitoring, so it's the flow.
oh,
Water levels.
because I can see a camera there, and previously when I come around here, it wasn't here. So I'm,
Yeah, no, so what it'd be, it's the flow of the water. So all these sections here, it'll tell whether canal boats can come through. If the water's too high,
all
they
right.
won't get through. So I expect round there'd be a marker post.
Oh, okay,
4,
so they
6,
know
8,
where.
10.
Oh.
Yeah. So this flows the amount of water that comes in here, and this
Okay.
gives you a rough idea.
Yeah.
You're going to get dirty trains down.
Oh,
through there.
that's all right. Thanks so much,
That's,
man.
that's
Thanks,
what it
sir.
is.
All
I
right,
imagine
man.
all that there. That's the Environment Agency. So it's all a flow test.
Okay, so you're with the Environment Agency?
No, I work for Kia. I work for the National Highways.
Oh, no, oh, okay,
Yeah,
National
so
Highways.
all our works, we're doing the fencing.
Yeah.
So we're putting fencing down the sides.
Okay, man.
To stop anyone from coming in and stuff.
Oh.
So just to try and keep it all there.
Thanks very much for taking the time
No,
out
you're
to
welcome,
speak
no
with me.
problem.
I
It's very
upload my videos on YouTube, so I just,
No
you know, English cut. So
problem.
thanks very much. Yeah,
Very
take
well,
care.
carries on
Man.
going
All
down
right,
there.
man. Thanks,
Very,
man.
very dirty.
Take care, man. Bye bye. I'm now this close to the train line, as you can see. The train just flew by like bullet. So this thing here looks like it's some gate or something was there to release the water from the river whenever the water level is too high, whenever the river rises. And maybe communities close by are at risk of flooding. I think they probably release some gate or something along there. As you can see, the river is over there, and it seems lower than the level of the river water. So it's like some kind of drainage system. So they would rather to flood this land over here and release some of the water so the river won't flood the community further down. Viewers, I'm heading home now. It's a long day and it seems as if it's going to rain. When I was leaving out earlier this morning, it was, well, I saw a little bit of sun. At least the rain didn't fall, even though it's late evening now. And it's a bit colder than earlier. Anyway, like, share and subscribe. And I look forward to you in my next video, which probably will be at the weekend.